Okay, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Monday, December 11th, 2017, and we are at 1450 Northeast 17th Street in Gresham, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. As you can see, we're out in front of the house. That's our driveway there. I was going to say our front porch. Front door right there in the corner. About 15 feet off of that corner is our sewer line cleanout here in the ground. It's a 4-inch cast iron line. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there, see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. Clean off the lens real quick. There we go. A little bit of mud entrance there. Okay, we're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. And that way we'll know how far we've gone. We'll have to shake the camera around a little bit to keep that lens clean. And the first thing I'll mention is that we are inside of a 4-inch cast iron line. That's what this home was built with back in 1971. And we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built around the same era. Sorry, I'm trying to keep this lens clean, but it's just not working very well. There we go. That's good enough for a moment. Alright, this is really dirty, so I've asked for someone to flush the toilet, and we'll see if this kind of cleans things up a little bit. There we go. That looks much better, much better. Okay, now we can continue. So as I mentioned, this home was built in 1971. And we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built around the same era. So it's wholly expected to see sewer line material that is cast iron, and at some point I imagine we will switch over to concrete. So far things look good, believe it or not, even though the screen is a little bit garbled with the camera lens being not perfectly clear. I can still see enough to ascertain the gist of the condition of the line. So far things look pretty good. Here at about 36, almost 37 feet, we do transition to a concrete line. Now those transitions from cast iron to concrete are the most common areas that we find tree penetrations in, or roots. That one looked pretty good. The floor of the pipe on the lower right hand corner of the screen is a little bit bumpy, you can see that. And the reason that is because over years and years of service, the water tends to wash away the cement that holds the rock together. These pipes are made out of cement, and the aggregate, in this case, is rock. There are other kinds of pipes that use fiber and whatnot, but in this case we have rock. And here at about 59 feet, we are looking into the city main. I'll go ahead and push in here just for a second. Notice this is a much larger pipe. Now the city main is more than likely out in the street. That's typical for this neighborhood, this kind of a neighborhood. Generally speaking, our inspection runs from the cleanout to the main. The camera wasn't very clean this time, but I was able to go slow enough that we can see if there were any issues. I did not see any issues. I do think this line is functioning very well. Other than typical wear of the cement line, which is to be expected for its age. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video at this point, but as I'm pulling the camera back in, I'll take another look at the concrete line, and I'll make my final comments in the written report. Thank you very much.